Okay, dear students, I'd like to tell you something about importance of picture correlation and self-expression. When we talk about stories, picture correlation and self-expression, there are a lot of issues. You know what happens? That when we pick a picture story, then we are not able to write about ourselves. When we write about ourselves, we are not able to picture. So it has to be, the picture should serve as a stimulus to generate a response in you. And the picture should certainly be included in your picture as the origination roots of the story rather than unnecessary added up, right? It should start. But if you look at the picture properly, you'll find many of the pictures will be from your day-to-day life and automatically they will invite a thought process which you have gone through it. Okay, so they don't give you very odd pictures of dragon or snakes or elephants. They're going to show you pictures which are day-to-day life. So automatically your mind will automatically go to some story which you have gone through or some experience which you've gone through. So remember this, that while you look at the picture, try to correlate where your thought process does go and then write it down. Of course, you have gone through a rich positive experience, so write that rich positive experience to be done. So therefore, always remember that two things if you do, that if you also correlate the picture and also along with it, if you correlate your kind of thought process which is evident from your kind of personality, which is evident from your kind of biodata, please write that story. Is it clear? I'd like to give you an explanation, or should I give you an example? But before this, you should understand this. Okay. In addition, I'd like to give to the general students certain example. Okay, let me tell that. Right. What we want to say is, like suppose we are talking about, there is a picture which is showing of a house, right? And naturally your thought process will go to your house and you'll find that some activity is happening, so you will automatically be reminded of some activity of your house. So you automatically, what you can do is you can write that story, how you handle that situation, how you managed it, what all you did, how your family helped you, whatever emotions you went through, all the positive parts of your expressions, your belief, your understanding, write it down. So automatically what are you doing? You are coming up in a way that you are also expressing yourself and you are also expressing, utilizing the picture. So this is very important for all of you to really do that, because this is very, very essential for all to understand that. Is it clear? Understood? So this is something which I want to tell you. You can also go down with another picture. For example, you are seeing a person riding on the cycle and you go every day to the school in cycle. So you can write the story, what happened, what episode you remember of your school while going to the school, and you can write it. So automatically what you're doing, you're also expressing yourself and you're also correlating with the picture. If you find somebody crying, you must have come across some friend, somebody in trouble. What did you do in that condition? You can write a story. So there is no reason that you have to be very rigid about your thought process. You have to be very fluid about your thoughts. And in 60 to 100, you will be able to write a complete story. 60 to 100 words, you'll be able to write a complete story where you can write what you saw, what you did, what you thought, and what was your action. Whatever, you can write it down to the last portion, which is the end result. Is it clear? So I hope you'll be able to understand that and you'll be able to apply this concept. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.